Hey guys, welcome back. I am here today with a unboxing of the most current design team package that I just received from Erica over the weekend. Thank you, Erica. So I thought I'd come on and show you with you, or be seeing everybody else's too. So I got a lot of the same things, but I got a couple things that I hadn't seen other people get either. So anyway, let me share them with you. So this is all of Erica's information here. Has her Instagram, her YouTube, and then the hashtag to follow. Even people who aren't on the design team can use the hashtag to share what you are making. There's lots of inspiration over there. So anyway, yeah, go check that out. So anyway, first up, I did receive this. It's called Tape Runner. So there's quite a few crafty things in here, and it just so happens that I'm working on the craft tote right now. And so these will be fun to put in there. So this one's called Tape Runner. I'm going to link everything down below, but I thought I always look everything up and get the official name. I like to have the official name of it, so I'm not just, making it random. So if somebody's not, doesn't have the links in front of them or something, they can, know keywords to put in. And so anyway, this one is called Tape Runner, and I thought it might be helpful to tell you how much each one is. Okay, so this is called Tape Runner, and it's $6. Okay, so that should be a cute one to add to the craft tote. And then this one's called the Hole Punch. So of course you can make this, look like your crocodile and stuff. So that will be fun to make and add into the craft tote also. This one's also $6. Okay. This one is called Glue Bottle. Really cute. And this one's $6 also. This one is the Embossing Tools, and it's $6. This one is called the Heart Tape Roll. Okay, so that should be fun to put together. And then has a little circle hearts and everything. It looks really cute. And that one is also $6. Okay. Next I got this, the camera mini album. So this is all the pieces that come with that. That one is $13.99. So that will be a fun one to put together and put some fun pictures in. Next up is called Easter Treat Box. So it's got this cute little bunny on top, and you make a couple of, I'm not sure how many of these you cut, probably 3. Put them together and make a cute little carrot looking treat box. It's got some rabbit feet and some, it looks like you can put this inside to cut out those shapes on your, this shape, on the base shape if you want to, or you can just leave it plain, either one. So that should be fun. And that one is $15.99. Okay, next up I received this Easter Bunny bag topper. So this again is going to be fun for Easter. So here's the bag topper itself, and then it gets layering pieces for the feet, and then it says Happy Easter, and there are comes with 2 different sizes, a larger and a small one. Okay, and that one is $16.99. So pretty cool that you get 2 different sizes for that price. Okay, so there's that one. Then there's this one that's called ink pads, so it goes along with the other crafty items. So that is going to be cute. Cute little ink pads. All right, and the ink pads, they are $10.50. And as you can see, there's a couple different ones. Okay. Next up, I got this new one. This is called the File Folder Mini Album. Been seeing some cute projects with this already. It's got tons of pieces, and I think you're only limited by your imagination on what all how all you put this together, and the different tab shapes and everything. Pockets should be really cute. Okay, so this one again, File Folder Mini Album, it is $24. Okay, and then next I got the 3D wallet. So these are all the pieces that come with it. And let's see if I can read what it says backwards. Gift card, and tickets, and coupons. That'll be cute. Okay, so this is called 3D wallet. It's $22. Okay. All right, and then lastly, I received the 3D purse. So this is what it looks like. what I like about these two things also is this pretty shape of the flap and stuff. It's not just a plain straight. It's really cute. There's the strap, which you'll be able to use on a ton of ton of different projects too, not just this one. So that will be great. And so again, 3D purse, and it is $28. Okay, so I don't know if that helps you or not, or if that was a good thing or not for me to give you the prices and stuff, but I don't know. When I'm looking at stuff, I always wonder how much it is. I'm frugal, so I always want to know how much it is, and I also am always looking for things that I can do more than one thing with. If you notice, and when I tell you show you my projects and all stuff, I will usually bring up that you can use this for this and this and this, and not just this, because I like to be able to get more than one use, more than one way to use my dies. So anyway, hopefully this was all helpful to you. I will link the website and all these dies that I received. And be sure, if you guys decide to purchase any of these or any others at the site, just use my code POLKA10 at checkout, and that will give you 10% off. So yeah, every little bit helps. So anyway, I'll list my discount code in the description also, so that you can use that if you decide to make a purchase from Erica. All right, she's got great dies, and yeah, the website looks a lot different now, and it's really nice looking. So lots of fun projects. So can't wait to dive in. So anyway, go check her out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back to share with you what more things I make. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye.